So I boiled it earlier, and I'm gonna grill it. Then I'm gonna blend the sauce, and the flavor is gonna develop even more, and serve it with the shrimp. And if you saw CP24 yesterday, no, y'all don't watch TV no more? What's up, man? No? I've never been. Never been? All right. Have you scanned the code? Have you scanned already? All right. If you scan it, just tell me your name. I'll try hook you up or something in the back end of the system. Don't say I said that. That's between us. So this is now going to make the sauce very thick, and it's going to coat the shrimp very nicely. You want to pull it away from your face. Always work away. My actual recipe, I just freehand, so I want to taste it to make sure it's good, and then we adjust it. Some persons like more spice, some like more salt. Cooking is always to taste. So what we're gonna do now is plate up. We got our breadfruit, we got our peppered shrimp. Website is iamchefnoel.com. My Facebook, Chef Noel Cunningham, you can find me there. I've got lots of recipes on my website, so I'm always there. Panko, it's gremolata. Gremolata, huh? Yeah. So I changed it from just breadcrumbs to something else. It has some lemon in it, which goes well with the shrimp with the head on. Huh? Like a tiger shrimp, yeah. Getting ready for the stage. So stick and stay. Let's do this. It's a final day. Number two, I want to do the plantain on one.
Are you serving this?
Yeah.
Then I'll get more glasses.
Yeah, okay, that's okay. That's good, yeah. So think there, Hello. Toronto Food and Drink Fest. I guess good evening, right? Good evening and welcome. I am Chef Noel Cunningham, and this is the final presentation. On Friday, I did peppered shrimp. You all familiar with pepper shrimp? Saturday, yesterday, I did Jamaican beef patties. And today, what am I making? Oh, you all did the study? Salaman Gunde? All right, yeah. So you can find it on Google. It's a little poem about Salaman Gunde. What I love about this dish is that it's originated from Nova Scotia and became very popular in Jamaica. So Canada and Jamaica has a great relationship over the years. Even the saltfish, which is in our national dish, is from where? Newfoundland. Yeah, it would trade in a rum barrel, a codfish, and that's how it became a part of our national dish. Yeah. I wish I could have all of you up here, but it's okay. Next time. I got some wine over here.
Oh yeah, please.
Show it to my...
I thought it was just water. I'm like, I need some alcohol.
No. A little wine for you?
Of course, appreciate it.
It got its name from the British word salamagande, something like that. And the first thing we're gonna do is get our herring. So I'm using red herring. This is smoked, but it's very salty as well. So what we need to do is give us a quick boil, like 10 minutes. Green plantain. You're paying attention, right? I love that. So what I make is basically a tostone. So I'm gonna double fry these, and I'm gonna serve red herring on top of that. I'm also gonna do a tomato relish as well. Make it a little, bougie, This dish came from where? Huh? England? No. So your bag is over here. Hey, give it up. Hey. That's just some skeleton oil. Green onion, yeah, some green onion, yeah. until they're translucent, until they start to get, they break down and the flavor is releasing. So tomato, cucumber, some onion here. This is what we're gonna serve on top of the plantain, then the salmon what? Go in there, and then we're gonna have this on top. Okay, I guess wanna cheers. Welcome to the chef's table. Burn very fast. So these we're gonna double fry these. So what I wanna do is start frying it, then I'm gonna press those, and then we're gonna refry them again. Let's get this cool on a bit. It's going a bit too fast. My God. What's missing though? Something is missing. So I'm missing some honey from this. I want some sweetness to complement the spice in that. Then there's also what's missing. Allspice and what else? So the vinegar, allspice, and the sugar is missing. And of course you have your recipe. I don't use recipe. I use the Holy Spirit and the ancestors. All right? It's good. That's perfect. So you can go as fine as you like, or however you like it. We're almost there, so we got our relish here, we got our salmon gun there, our plantain is almost ready. Just basket time. Alrighty, which year did Toronto Food and Drink Festival started? Oh yeah. 2020, that's pandemic. We were all inside. We weren't out here.
2023.
I love this question. That's it. 2022. So now you learned something, right? And make sure you all come back next year and support and celebrate everything Toronto, everything Canada as well. As I said earlier, it's a snack. And all weekend I've been doing snacks from the Jamaican patties, the pepper shrimp, to the salmon gunde, which has tie to Jamaica and Canada. As a Jamaican chef living here in Canada, doing my thing on this stage. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for paying attention, engaging, listening. As you can hear, my voice is gone, right? Because I'm here all weekend and I'm competing with the DJ over there. DJ Noel over here, and the next DJ over there. So let's give it up one more time for Toronto Food and Drink Festival, Sunwing Airline, and the Jamaica Tourist Board, and everyone who is involved in the festival here. Better plate, oh.
I think this dish in particular was very balanced. It's not too salty, it's not super fishy. I think the lime juice and the sugar works well together to kind of round out the saltiness. So yeah, pretty balanced dish.
Really flavorful, really diverse.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I think you went for a break or something. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. I'm tired.
Yeah, walking around and enjoying.
Yeah, very.
Yeah, it's all natural, right?
Yeah, she makes it.
Yeah?
We have some lamb. There's also some
Lamb?
ribs.
Yeah.
This is the sauce for it. Hot sauce plus some wasabi.
It's good. How spicy are you? How spicy are you? with the secret sauce. You go, sir. One of them is ready. Only this way you won't hurt you. Yeah. I need one just like that, you know. We never get one of them there.